Yes, dear, fifth grade. Can you hear me? Yes, I'm your new science teacher. I will explain germination and light. Where are you? Can you hear me? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Let's introduce myself. My name is Arzu, Miss Arzu. I'm teacher for 15 years and here we will be together. And I know that you learned germination. And firstly, I'll repeat and I'll continue. Let's start. But before starting, let's introduce yourself. Who will start? Let's introduce yourself. Fatima, where are you?
Miss Ali.
Yes, let's introduce yourself. This is our first lesson.
Miss,
Yes?
I'm not listening to your voice. I'm not listening to your voice.
You cannot hear?
I am listening it, but
You are listening.
it's very noise. Is I'm not listening very.
Yes. If there is a problem by sound, let's check. But normally, it's okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start. Yes. Do you want to introduce yourself before starting?
Okay.
Yes. What did you learn about germination? What is germination? Who will explain? Omar? Can you hear me? Or any others? Let's start. Okay, firstly I'll explain and I'll ask question. Please listen carefully. You know that germination, seed turn to plant. What is seed? Do you know?
Yeah.
Yes, as you see in this picture, seed will turn to plant. This is the germination as you see in this small movie. Okay, you know that plants need air, light, water, enough food, nutrients, and also in cold places they cannot germinate. They need warmth, okay? And let's start to explain. You learned them before. I'll repeat one more time. Okay, look here. Firstly, for germination, we need seed. This seed by water, what will happen by air, and with the help of sunlight, will turn to plant and complete the germination. These are the necessary factors for germination. Look here. What do plants need to grow? They need sunlight, they need enough air, and seed must be in soil, and they must have enough water. And guys, if water too much, it's not good for seed. Water must be enough for germination. Okay, look here. As you know, plants are living things like us, like animals, like humans. They are alive. And for energy, we need food. Although they need food, what will happen? They will take nutrients? Nutrients mean, as you know, food. By this food, it will grow and it will reproduce. Okay, for germination, as you know, they need right amount of sunlight, right amount of water. If water enough, if sunlight enough, they will grow best. We can test it. How we can test it? We can take two different types of plants or same type of plant but two different plants. If one of them take enough sunlight, the other one stay in dark places, which one can grow best? Who will answer? One of them in dark places, one of them take enough sunlight. Which plant will grow best? Who will answer? My dear students, where are you? Don't you know? Yes, I'll choose one of you. Ibrahim, can you hear me? A simple question for you. Yes. Guys, where are you? Okay,
Miss,
I will answer this time.
Miss,
Yes?
I don't hear you.
You cannot hear?
Yes.
Now, what about the sound? Is it good?
No.
Now let's question one more time. Two plants. Two plants. And then, wait a minute. Two plants. These plants, one of them stay dark. One of them take enough sunlight. Which plant grow best? This is the question. Which one grow better? Yes, did you hear my question? Can you hear me? Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, did you understand my question?
No.
Yes, look here. Did you see the screen? It's written there.
Yes.
Here is the screen. Look here. This is the question. If plants take right amount of sunlight, they will grow better. Okay? Let's continue. You will understand now. Let's see. Okay. Plants need sunlight to grow up or to germinate. Sunlight, you know, it is the light which comes from sun. Sun shines every day and plants use this sunlight. Seeds use sunlight for germination. What's the germination? Let's remember. What's the germination? Who will say? What's the definition? Yes, where are you? Germination, from seed to plant. And for germination, we need enough sunlight. Okay, and after germination, it will turn to plants. Plants, can you see? Like trees. And they also need sunlight. Why plants need sunlight? Omar, are you there?
Grow up.
Yes. And also, do you know photosynthesis? Did you hear this term before? Look here. Photosynthesis. photosynthesis, making food. And plants make food. How plants make food? By using sunlight. Okay, we can say sunlight necessary for germination, sunlight necessary for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means making food by using sunlight. Okay, and also for growing, you are right. Sunlight, they also need to grow. It is also true. Okay, look here into this picture. Let's speak about water. If you don't give enough water to plants, what will happen? Jumana, can you hear me?
Yes.
I don't know how to read. If we don't give enough water to plants, what will happen, Jumana?
Can you repeat it?
If we don't give enough water to plants, let's see in this picture. What will happen to plant?
It will die.
Yes, it will be firstly dry and then die. Water also necessary to grow and also necessary for germination. Okay, good. Look here. How does water affect plant growth? This is first question. Let's explain. You know, there are different kinds of plants. Some plants like water, some plants like less water, like xerophytic plants. Do you know cactus? Do you know cactus plant? In desert. Are you there? Yes, look here. Some plants, hydrophytic, it means like water, need too much water. But some plants can live in dry places. Dry places mean like deserts, as you know. They don't need too much water and it changes according to plants. And let's explain how does sunlight affect plant growth. Yes, let's see. We have 7 students. Okay, let's see. Saleh. Saleh, can you hear me? Oh, no microphone. Okay. Ibrahim. Are you there, Ibrahim? Are you sleeping? Guys, wake up. Our question, how does sunlight affect the plant growth? We can say if they take enough sunlight, they will grow up better. If they are on dark places, what will happen? To plant one of them in dark places, not enough sunlight, it will be, not tall. But if a plant take enough sunlight, it will be taller. Yes, next question. I hope you are listening. If you don't understand, you must ask, okay? I'm here to teach you. Okay, what did you notice about the plants? If we give more water than the others, who will answer? Guys, are you there?
Yes.
Yes. Question on the screen. Can you read the question one more time for me? Please read the
Yes.
question.
Yes, I can
I'm
read.
listening. I'm listening. Let's repeat one more time. Who will read? Did you learn this topic with your teacher? Did you mention about germination before? Please say to me. If you don't know these words, it is difficult to understand. I must explain one more time. But if you learn, it will be only repeating. Did you learn germination topic with your teacher? Dear 5th graders, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, did you learn germination topic before? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let's repeat one more time. Germination means from seed to plant. You know, seed in soil. If we give enough water, if it grow up and take sunlight, it will turn to plant. This is the germination. Let's see germination one more time. You will remember by picture. Let's turn back. Okay, look here. This is the germination, guys. This is seed. Seed in the soil. They give water and they take sunlight. Seed turn to plant. This is the germination. For germination, it must be in soil. Soil is necessary. They must take enough air. It must be warm place. If it is too cold, they cannot germinate. And also, one more thing, sunlight. Sunlight also necessary. Okay, look into this picture. We need sunlight for germination. We need air for germination. Seed must be in soil and seed must take enough water. If too much water, it is also not good for seed. Any question till here? If you didn't understand, I'll explain, but you must say something. Did you understand or not? Which part you didn't understand, you must say. Guys, are you there?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Did you understand what is germination?
No, Miss. The
No?
English is not fine.
Okay, look here. Look here one more time. This is germination. Germination, this is seed. Do you know seed? Seed. In this picture. This is seed. Did you see?
Yes.
Look please. To Vedian, can you see the screen?
Yes.
This is seed. Seed under the soil. How this seed will turn to plant? I'll explain this one. Seed will take enough water. Seed will take enough water. Will take sunlight and seed will turn to plant. This process is called germination. Germination means, as you see, from seed into plant. Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay, this is germination. And I'll continue. Look here. Wait a minute. We said plants must take enough water. If much water, it is also not good. You know, if seed take much water, seed can die too. It must take enough water. And let's mention about sunlight. Let's see. Wait a minute. Okay. Sunlight, light which come from sun. It is necessary for germination and also it is necessary for photosynthesis. Can you hear me, Hiba? Can you
Yeah.
hear? Okay,
Yes.
photosynthesis is special for plant. We cannot do photosynthesis or animals cannot do photosynthesis. Only plants can do it. Photo mean sunlight. Synthesis mean making food. And by photosynthesis, plants produce food. Which food? For example, fruits, guys. Fruits which we eat. Okay, we said sunlight very important for plants. They germinate by sunlight and also they grow up. If it's in dark place, they grow up less. Think about two apple tree. One of them take enough sunlight, one of them in dark places, not enough sunlight. At this time, one apple tree will be taller, another one will be shorter because if it doesn't take enough sunlight, it will be shorter than the others. Sunlight important for growth. Sunlight important for germination and also sunlight necessary for photosynthesis. We said that photosynthesis means making food and only plants can do photosynthesis. We cannot do it. Okay, now we mentioned about water. Plants must take enough water for germination and not to be dry. As you see, this is a plant. Less water, not enough water, and as you see, it is dried up, and eventually die. Yes, guys, is it clear? Can you
Yes.
understand? Okay,
Yes.
wonderful. Now let's see from your book. This is 94 on your book. If you have, please open. 94. Now, Vedyan. How I'll read Vedyan? What's your name? Let's say your name. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Vedyan? Okay, read please this part. Read for me.
A plant that is not watered will have a weak stem and dried up leaves and will eventually die.
Yes, now, can you see the screen now? 94 from your book. On the screen, it's your book. Can you see it? Investigation. Do plants grow better in more sunlight? Isn't it?
Miss, which page?
94. Page 94. On the screen, I share it. Let's new share, okay. New share, wait a minute. Can you see the book page 94 here?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, look here. Do plants grow better in more sunlight? We will mention about it. Sunlight is essential. Essential mean necessary. Sunlight is essential to plant for growth. If plants take enough sunlight, they will grow up. And do plants grow better if they have more sunlight? Hiba, can you answer to this question? Look here, this question. Also from your book, page 94. Do plants grow better if they have more sunlight? What's the answer? Hiba?
Yes, the plant grow better when you have more sunlight.
Yes. Dark places, they will be shorter. But enough sunlight, they will be taller. Okay? Yes, it is true. We can say, look here, the amount of light important for amount of growth. You can see from your book. Let's see. Okay, look here carefully, please. Amount of light important for amount of growth. If they take more sunlight, they will grow better. Look here, if they have more sunlight, they will grow better. There is a correlation between them. More sunlight, taller. Less sunlight, shorter. Is it clear?
Yeah.
You can test it at home by flowers. If you have at home, by sunlight, they will be taller. Okay. Yes, let's read here. Wait a minute. Okay. We can measure the sunlight from their growth. For example, if you put your plant in dark places, we can say growth will be less. For example, only 2 centimeters in dark places. But if you take this plant and put it near the window, when this plant take enough sunlight, it will grow up better. For example, 10 centimeter. You can test it by your plant at home.
Yes.
If take enough sunlight, they will grow up better. Okay, guys. Yes. And who will repeat for us? For germination, what we need. I can also share with you. I'll share. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, here again. I'll show. And Hiba. Yes, this is the what do plants need to grow or for germination. Yes, read for us, please. Hiba, can you read for us?
What do plants need to grow? Color the
They need sun here, sunlight. They need air. And seed will be in soil and must be enough water. This is what do plant need to grow. And another thing, this is the last thing I'm repeating for you. What do plants need to live? What do plants need to live? Let's look to chat. Okay. Yes, last 6 minutes. Let's repeat the topic. Yes, a healthy plant, enough water, enough sunlight, and plant will be healthy. And as you see, to be healthy, a plant need air, a plant need enough light. Place must be warm. In cold places, they cannot survive, and they need enough water, and also in the seed there is special food. Okay, now the last thing today, guys, we learned what is germination. Germination, as you see in this picture, from seed into plant. Seed in the soil by water and sunlight. It will turn to plant. This is the germination process, and sunlight very important for germination and also for plant growth. Any question till here? Did you understand what is germination? And healthy plant needs, we mentioned what healthy plants needs, and we mentioned about the sunlight, and if sunlight increase, their growth also will increase. There is a positive correlation between them. If you understood, I'll continue the others in the next lesson. If you didn't understand something, please ask me. I'll explain one more time. I hope you heard. Okay, nice to meet you. We will be together in science lesson.
Okay.
If no question, I'll leave. Goodbye. See you next lesson.
Bye.
See you. Bye.
Goodbye. See you.
Bye.